Hi everybody, good morning to our students, our teachers and our parents and even grandparents who might be with us here this week as we have our second Friday morning assembly for the term. Firstly, congratulations children on all the efforts you've made this week with your home learning. The teachers have reported back to me this week in regards to the phone conversations they've had with your parents and yourselves and the Google Meets, and they say that you are doing a sensational job. So congratulations to all of you on all of your efforts. Well done to those children in 3s to 6 who got onto the Google Meets, and that's going to increase next week. There'll be 2 Google Meets for the years 3s to 6s, which is just terrific. We've got a few little glitches with the microphones and the cameras, and Vu's coming in today, and he's going to help Mrs. Wakeling perhaps try and problem solve those little glitches, and hopefully we can have more cameras and more microphones working on those, and we may be able to work it. So a little bit of magic that it works remotely, so Vu might be able to make them work remotely, but we'll see how we go. Thank you for your patience with the devices. Technology is great in a lot of ways, but sometimes it just plays up on us at times as well. Children, tomorrow we have a very important day to acknowledge. It's probably, I'm not sure that celebrates the right word, but it's really a day to acknowledge those men and women who fought in wars to protect our beautiful country Australia. So tomorrow is Anzac Day. And we especially remember those servicemen and women. It's very unfortunate that in our society at the moment we can't have our usual remembrance services and gatherings that we would normally have at dawn and through the day on Anzac Day, but we will certainly be remembering them tomorrow. And later today we hope to send out another Anzac Day service that we've put together, and that will be separate to this morning's assembly. So keep an eye out for that. We're hoping that we can put it together technologically wise because we're gathering a few people to help us with that, and we can't have them all in the school at the same time. So we keep those people in our thoughts and prayers and thank them for the service. I'm talking about the servicemen and women for what they've done for our beautiful country, Australia. My assembly isn't as long this week because last week was our first week, and in the coming weeks though we will extend them, I'm sure. But what I'd like to do is to ask all those children to stand up who've had a birthday in the last week. So up you get, wherever you are. And I know that we've got Harry standing up, who celebrated his birthday last week. He's in 3-4D. We've got Darcy in 1-2L, who's also celebrated his birthday last weekend. And we've got Alyssa in 5-6I, who celebrated her birthday. And we also had Mrs. Fella and Mrs. Neal, who celebrated a birthday during the week as well. So we wish you all a happy birthday. And in your beautiful singing voices, and along with my horrid singing voice, I have the fortunate to have Mrs. McDonald, who has a magnificent singing voice. We must acknowledge that. And Mrs. Cowan, we're not as good as Mrs. McDonald and Mrs. Bernardo, but we'll do our best. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children and teachers. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip.
Hooray!
Hip.
Hooray!
Hooray! Woo. Now for my special treat that I mentioned in a FlexiBuzz that I sent out yesterday, there would be a tasty treat at this week's assembly. Now, as you know, in term 4 and in term 1, in the summer months, we have icy poles for sale on a Friday, and that's a little bit of a fundraiser and a bit of a treat at the same time. In terms 2 and terms 3 in recent years, I think we definitely did it last year, I'm not sure if we did it the year before, we had a cake raffle on a Friday. Now, we're going to have a cake raffle, and it's cake raffle day. So we have a cake to raffle, and I'm going to show you this beautiful cake. Look at that. This is the cake that's been made by Anna Cerullo, and there is going to be one lucky family who is going to win this cake. And guess what? The bonus of this cake raffle is that you don't have to buy a ticket. We're going to have a cake raffle every Friday during term 2, like we always have had in the past, and we're going to put every family into the raffle draw. We're going to draw it out, then either probably myself or one of the other staff today are going to deliver this to your front door contactless. We're going to drop it off, and then you're going to go outside and pick it up when it gets dropped at your door. So I need Mrs. McDonald. Can you come over here? We're going to stand 1.5 meters apart. You can draw the lucky one. There you go. And what family has won the cake this week?
We have a girl.
A girl. Here we go.
This girl is in grade 6. This girl is in 5-6C. And it's Eve Pearson.
Hooray!
Congratulations, Eve.
Congratulations, Eve Pearson. We're going to deliver this to your house today, contactless, and you are the first winners of our cake raffle. So next week we're going to have another cake. Again, thanks to Anna Cerullo for cooking this week's cake, and this will be something to look forward to every week. All right, thanks everybody. I hope you all have a lovely weekend. Enjoy your family, enjoy your friends online if you are. Stay safe and healthy. Bye everybody.